talking to you. Do you have a desire to learn English or better your English language skills? If yes, that's the sweetest news we can hear in COVID-19 environment. And if that yes is coming from heart, it makes it all the more sweeter. Because learning something new from heart has become a rarity. I can and I will teach you some of the important techniques practically. How to learn pronunciation with clarity, how to build your vocabulary, how to start a conversation, how to make the first impression, how to learn the small grammar rules, the nitty-gritties of grammatical rules, all this in a very simple manner. It's simple and it's joyful too. Did you want to? Let's merge. On the serious note, even if you're speaking to one person or if you're speaking to a big audience, what matters? It's speaking from heart, being yourself, being unconventional is the key. Techniques can give you only a structure. It is your passion that's going to give it the beauty, the inspiration, actual source. Remember, whether the speech is 1 minute or half minute, it can always become a turning point in your life. And Lovingly Yours English is interested in that. This is Kavita here, and welcome to the Friends of English series. Let us learn together, you and me. Let us travel together in this beautiful journey of continuous learning and make this a magical